Discover the pinnacle of precision engineering and metal fabrication expertise right here in New Jersey with Brazmac Machine. Nestled in the heart of our community, Brazmac Machine stands as a beacon of excellence in the realm of machine tooling and metal fabrication. Our team comprises highly skilled artisans, each meticulously trained and passionately dedicated to mastering the craft of welding, a skill often described as a dying art both locally and across the globe. At Brazmac Machine, we pride ourselves on exceeding even the loftiest of customer expectations, from the most intricate projects to the simplest tasks. Our esteemed reputation resonates not only among corporate giants, but also within the thriving landscape of small businesses throughout New Jersey. Quality, affordability, and efficiency form the very bedrock of our operations. With every project we undertake, we strive for nothing short of perfection, delivering unparalleled results that showcase our unwavering commitment to excellence. In a world where skilled craftsmen are increasingly rare, Brazmac Machine stands as a beacon of hope, a sanctuary for those seeking mastery in the art of metalworking. Our team's expertise is second to none, a testament to the countless hours of dedication poured into honing our craft. So why settle for anything less than the best? Join countless satisfied customers who have experienced the Brazmac Machine difference firsthand. Contact us today at 973-530-9031 and let our skilled artisans bring your vision to life with unmatched precision and unparalleled dedication. Your satisfaction is our highest priority. Experience the Brazmac Machine advantage today.